Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming a few essentials so the change goes smoothly. Open TikTok and make sure you're logged into the account you want to modify. Once done, check app updates and connect a verified email or phone. Next, switch to a business account in Settings Manage Account if needed, because personal accounts can't access the business type menu. Make sure you pick business, not creator, since the options differ. These prep steps prevent lockouts and ensure the correct menus appear when you proceed. Now you'll navigate the menus to change the actual business type. From Settings and Privacy, open Business Suite or Manage Account and tap Business Information. Then find Business Type or Category and scroll to select the most accurate option. Choose the category that matches how you want TikTok to classify your content and contact info. Once selected, tap Save and allow any requested permissions, such as contact visibility. Make sure to update your profile's website, email, and contact buttons. Finish by verifying that the new business type shows on your profile and that contact buttons and ad options reflect the update. If the change doesn't stick, clear the app cache, restart the app, and attempt the change again. Alternatively, try the desktop creator/business tools where menus sometimes differ. If menus still lack business type or you see errors, capture screenshots and submit a request to TikTok support. This troubleshooting step resolves backend restrictions or verification holds that prevent the update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.